Guys, this is John from A Global, and we're going to be changing out a fog light, and this is on a 2013 Kia Optima SXL. This works for the 2011, 2012, and 2013 Kia Optima. The bulb you're going to need is the H8. This is a Sylvania 35 watt halogen. I don't know if you can see this, but I prefer to use ramps rather than a jack, but a jack can be used also. And then I gathered up a piece of cardboard. One of the tools you're going to be needing is a Phillips screwdriver. And basically there's 3 screws. You've got 1, 2, and 3. And what we're going to do is we're just going to fold this panel down to allow us access to get up to the fog light. And basically, it's a 2-part clip that I'm taking apart. And basically, I'm unscrewing the center portion of it. And then once it's about 90% of the way out, you can see that it comes right out pretty easily. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other one now. And you can see that it comes down. There's a third one. And this just opens up access to see inside. So to make this a little easier, I'm going to just put a little bungee cord on here and tie it back so I have a nice easy access up into the panel here to get to the fog light. So as we look up inside here, you'll see that this is your fog light right here. Now we need to take the wiring off of it, and I don't know if you can see, but I'm pushing the 2 points on each side of this, here and here, and this allows me to pull it off. And then the actual bulb that's sitting in here, I'm going to turn that counterclockwise to where it's pointing downwards, and then I'm going to just pull it out like so. And our new bulb, you have to be careful. You don't want to get anything on it. And you want to set that into the new holder. If you can see this, like so, you put it in where it's in the down position, and it'll sit flush. Once you get it in there to sit flush, you turn it clockwise. And it's in place. You can feel it, it's solid. And our clip, we're just going to take our clip, and place it in where it snaps.